Hey y'all, Alice Monique with TexasGalStudio. Welcome back to my channel. Let's head on over to South Padre Island, get some inspiration. I want to paint up a water fountain, and I know the colors at South Padre Island are super vibrant, so let's go get some inspiration. Showed you all in my previous video, I did purchase some DIY paint from Debi Designs Diary here on YouTube. I'll leave the links down below if you're interested to know what I'm using, which colors. I just did half and half of the white and of the teal tone to get this lighter shade for my water fountain turned into a container. We are at Port Isabel. My kiddos wanted to check out the lighthouse. They didn't go all the way up, they just wanted to roll down the hill, so you could see them do that here. So here where we're staying at, it's called Park Center. Beautiful park, so many amenities. I got to record just a little bit. Their rooms, like where they have the games and books, and you can go make coffee. It's super cute. I just kind of did like a little pan over, but you'll see it come up right now. So right here I'm using a top coat called Big Top, and since this is going to be outdoors, I want to seal it really well. It's a very hot day, mind you, so you see me doing this, yes, in just one day, because I can't believe how fast this paint dried up. It just does depend on the temperature and where you're at, but I want to say that it was about 95 degrees here. I'm in the southern tip of Texas. I live in a city called Pharr, so, and it's P-H-A-R-R. It's pretty far. It's far out, but I did give it about 15 minutes at the most, because it was drying up super quickly in between each coat that I did and the little designs. And then I did the Big Top. The Big Top took a little bit longer, maybe about 20 minutes at the most, but not that long. So my inspiration for painting this the way I did, which is kind of like a gold, very random placing, and a teal vintage kind of worn out look, is a 1970s, and I kind of have it in the back of my head. I've seen something like this at my grandma's home. A Mexican pottery almost, again going back to the 70s. If I do find a picture, I'll screenshot it and I'll put it towards the end, just kind of like what I have mentally inspired by. But again, this is just me trying to do like a 1970s worn out look. Like, I did find this pottery at a thrift store. That's the look I'm going for. So I'm turning this into a fairy / gnome garden. I want to add all my little gnomes that I have. I've had them for a little bit and I haven't used these at all, and I have just little random stuff that I wanted to include as well. And here you're gonna see a little, we're gonna take a little trip into their gnome world. Stay tuned for a blooper. My mom is just laughing at me because I almost fall down at the beach. Take a look at this. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be coming back with more of our little escapades to the island. We live about an hour away from South Padre Island, and doing this just really fulfills us. And we were talking about it, hubby and I, it's like, why don't we do this more often? The kids love it, so we need to just implement on making time and going out there either Saturday morning, just make a day of it whenever the kids are not busy, of course, because they're very active with extracurricular activities, but we need to make time for this, definitely. So stay tuned. I hope you all Have a great day. Y'all be safe, stay strong. Attitude is everything. Bye, y'all.